How to stop snoring naturally, a guide to better sleep. Snoring is a common problem that affects millions of people worldwide. Not only can it be disruptive to those around us, but it can also lead to poor quality sleep and health issues for the snorer. While many people turn to over-the-counter remedies or prescription medications, there are natural solutions to snoring that can be just as effective. In this video, we'll explore some of the best ways to stop snoring naturally. Understanding the causes. Before we can effectively address snoring, it's important to understand what causes it. Snoring occurs when the muscles in the back of the throat relax too much during sleep, causing the airway to narrow and vibrate. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including being overweight, smoking, alcohol consumption, allergies, or sleep position. Lifestyle changes to reduce snoring. Many lifestyle factors can contribute to snoring, and making simple changes can make a big difference. Losing weight, quitting smoking, avoiding alcohol before bed, and maintaining good sleep hygiene are all effective ways to reduce snoring. Exercise can also improve overall respiratory function and reduce snoring. Natural remedies. Several natural remedies can help alleviate snoring. Using essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint to reduce inflammation and congestion. Practicing yoga or other breathing exercises to strengthen the muscles in the throat. Try using a humidifier to keep nasal passages moist. Anti-snoring devices. Several devices can help reduce snoring, including nasal strips, mouthpieces, and positional therapy aids like pillows. These can help keep the airway open and reduce the severity of snoring. Seeking medical advice for chronic snoring. While natural remedies can be effective, some cases of snoring may require medical intervention. If snoring is causing serious health issues or disrupting daily life, it's important to seek the advice of a medical professional. They may recommend lifestyle changes, prescription medications, or surgical procedures to alleviate snoring. Conclusion. Snoring is a common problem, but it doesn't have to be a permanent one. By making simple lifestyle changes, trying natural remedies, or using anti-snoring devices, it's possible to reduce snoring and improve overall sleep quality. For chronic snoring, seeking the advice of a medical professional can help identify underlying health issues and determine the best course of action. With a little effort and attention, a peaceful, restful night's sleep is possible.